Want to know how to use Scholar AI in ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your ChatGPT website or application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the top left side right here, you should be see open sidebar. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected open sidebar, just simply select explore, and once I selected explore, just simply scroll down until you see Scholar AI. It should be under feature right here. If you don't see it, just simply type in Scholar AI and it should be there. And once that is done, you can just simply select Scholar AI and then select start chat, and you can just simply start a chat with Scholar AI easily. So right here you can see you can just simply uh, type in prompts and it should give you the go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.